Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go on the main menu. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll know, as you can see, you have your email address at the top. We're going to select device. Bottom left corner we've got plus. Add device, SN add. It's going to ask you for permissions for your camera, so just accept that, log in. Then we can scan the QR code on the recorder. And it's going to ask for some information. This will be the device's username, which is admin, default password 12345, and then the capture code, which is underneath the recorder where I just scanned. Okay, and it will say capture. Okay, so once you've entered that, click submit. It's going to ask you to name it. So I'll put CCTV. For the group, you're going to add it to My Devices. Select Done, Finished, and then you can see we've got My Devices 1 out of 1. Come back here, and as you can see, there's a little icon in the middle. I'm going to press that, tick My Devices, hit Done, and it should start streaming all your cameras. Unfortunately, I don't have cameras connected at the moment, but all your cameras should then start streaming.